Expansion of ideas. As you sow, so shall you reap. If farmers desire to reap a harvest of wheat, he sows wheat. If he wants rice, he sows rice. What should we think of him if he planted wheat and expected to harvest rice, or the other way round? The law of nature tells us that we must sow what we wish to reap. If we sow nothing, we shall reap nothing. So it is with life. We always have to bear the consequences of our actions. If we perform good deeds, we shall be rewarded with good. If we perform bad deeds, we shall never enjoy peace of mind. Our lives will be wretched and miserable. We cannot achieve fair ends by using foul means. Even if we do, it will be short-lived. Man can decide his own future by his present deeds. If he sows the seeds of vice, corruption and sin, he reaps the harvest of misery and ruin. If he plants virtue, purity and goodness, he plucks the golden fruit of success and happiness. If we want to achieve good, we should do good, for as we sow, so shall we reap.